Cost-effective painting for budget-friendly home construction starts with specifying the right materials and workflows to minimize labor and material waste. Choose a quality mid-grade paint that balances cost and coverage because it reduces the number of coats needed and still resists wear better than cheap economy options. Standardize colors across contiguous rooms and repeat a short palette to cut down on changeovers and the need for extra trip coats, which saves time and leftover tin waste. When feasible, paint rooms yourself with a basic toolkit of quality rollers, angled sash brush, painter tape, and an extension pole, and follow a system of cutting in first, rolling in W patterns, and back rolling for uniform finish. Limit accent walls to small features such as a single wall in a bedroom or a recessed niche so you get visual interest without buying multiple full tins of specialty color. Use a moderate grade paint for trim and doors. These surfaces wear differently, so the slightly better formulation pays back by needing fewer touch-ups. Plan deliveries and staging so painters work continuously by room groupings to reduce setup time and avoid partial tins left over on site. 3 common mistakes are choosing the cheapest paint, which increases coats and touch-ups, so instead select a mid-grade for better coverage and durability. Another problem is excessive color variety that forces more paint changes and increases labor and leftover materials, so pick a limited palette and repeat it across the house. The third issue is poor preparation, like skipping light sanding, inadequate cleaning, or not priming problem areas, which causes adhesion failures and visible defects. So spend that small time on prep and use primer on patched or high stain areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for painting and other home jobs, and we make it easy to post project details and receive inquiries. We also support contractors looking for work and host an active discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and recommendations.